just today, got a whole bunch of programming stuff done, and now I'm going to kind of show it off. First up, let me change the settings real quick. Let's see what it's in. Shotgun mode, yay. Now what I'm going to show is in semi that it's feeding multiple shots, because I know the sound on this webcam is absolutely horrendous, and it's probably horribly delayed too. But I don't know where my actual video camera is, so this will have to do. Alright, so empty pop-up chamber, magazine, normal stuff. Now, if I didn't have a cracked in half BB, it would be great. Okay. Now we're good. There we go. Alright. So there's from 2 bursts, you've got 10. So 5 and 5? Yeah. Now we take the magazine out. Now I have the burst function. Let me edit the code. Turn the shotgun off. It's going to be a 7-round burst, which the whole point really isn't, if you count it, is to show that it automatically stops after. Then so the burst mode also works with you when you have the shotgun. The shotgun will give you full auto if you want it. I have a closed bolt, all that normal stuff. But what I'm working on now is a burst to full auto, like the extreme fire FETs have. So if you hold the trigger down for a certain amount of time, then it continues shooting. And all of those settings are going to be adjustable, so you can hold it down for like 0.4 seconds, 0.3 seconds, 0.2 seconds. You can decide how long you want a burst to be. Everything's adjustable on this. Basically, if there's any setting you want to adjust, I'm making it adjustable.